All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, on this episode, we're going to be talking about crypto being down. I mean, this is down, down, down. We talked about AMP earlier today. AMP's now under 3 cents. I haven't seen that in forever. All kinds of cryptos are down. So we're going to talk about the cryptos that are down. We're going to go to CoinMarketCap. Also, we're going to tell everybody to take a deep breath. It's only a day. We know crypto goes like this. Okay, we do. We're in this right now. So, like, literally, you kind of have to relax and take your time on this. Take a deep breath. So, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. We're also going to talk about how you can make money on TikTok. If you wanted to do that, talking about strong nodes in a few days, and also talking about Drip Network coming up in a couple days. So with that, let's go over to cryptocurrency. What's going on? All right, we're going to start at AMP token. Okay, AMP right now is down 26%, and today it's down 14%. It's actually at 3 cents right now, which is fantastic. It's not 2 cents, but right here I just clicked it, and it's at 2.9 cents. So I haven't seen AMP at 2.9 cents in a really long time. Here's what I'm going to say. If you haven't got into AMP, or if you're thinking about getting into AMP, this could be a very, very good discount buy. This coin's been around 4 or 5 cents, and now it's at 2.9. Now it just bounced up to 3. Let's take a look at this. Last 7 days, this is kind of where it's really, really, really jumped down real quick. All right, but kind of looking at everything right here. Basic attention token, down 23%. Here's AMP, down 25%. Oasis is down 34% last 7 days. We're going to kind of take our time on this. Because again, if you were an investor and you're thinking about this, all our information is for educational purposes only. But if everything is down and it goes like this, and this is the down, this is your time to have your choice of what you wanted to get into. Thorchain is down $32, down 32% right now. Huobi token, down, that's only down 6%. Engine coin is down 28%. I mean, take a look at some of these. CRV down 37%. Gala's down 32%. So again, my point is on your radar, whatever tokens you're looking at, this is like your smorgasbord of cryptocurrencies. And one aspect, everybody's sad because you're looking at your phone, you're looking on your thing, and you see your cryptocurrency balances and everything is down. I mean, any of these coins that you have, it's down right now. On the flip side, maybe there's a project or a coin that you haven't got into yet that you've been looking on, and you're looking for that opportunity to get in. Well, we're going to go back over to CoinMarketCap. This could be that opportunity. Maybe not for the coins that, let's say you have 7 different coins or 10 different coins. Maybe there's 11th that you've always had your mind on, XRP. Okay, you may want to take a look at this. So again, in the same token, relax. Crypto goes like this. Right now, when it's like this, it will go back up. Just look at every chart for every week, for every year. Okay, here we go. All right, remember we were just talking about Gala, 31%. Flow right here, number 55 is down 24%. The Graph is down 23%. Harmony is down now 38%. If you were into Harmony and you were checking out this cryptocurrency and you were actually researching it, this, I mean, could be again like, wow, 37%. If it just goes back up to where it's at 0, that's a pretty good return. Helium right now is down 24% in the last 7 days. Elron is down 29%, 30%. I talk about discount buys at 10 to 12 to 15%. This is like, again, 30% for the Sandbox is down. I mean, and everything is red. Filecoin is down 25%. VeChain is down. Now, I know that the interest rates are going up, okay, and everybody's got the uncertainty about things and stuff. But if you've been around crypto for a while, this is kind of what you're looking for. Decentraland, I mean, now this is the metaverse. So if you believe in the metaverse, down 23%. Internet computer, down 26%. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. So I know the interest rates are going up. COVID, all the different things that are going on with that, uncertainties on things, the vaccines, So you add all these different things up, and the markets are just everything's going like this right this second. But if you're in this for the long haul, if you have projects that you may want to get into, this could be your opportunity to look at these cryptocurrencies and just kind of check them out. I mean, you don't have to do anything. You can even keep them on your radar. All the information is for educational purposes only. Let's go on back. Bitcoin Cash is down 17%, $318. I mean, let's go ahead to Bitcoin Cash real quick. This is definitely one of my favorite tokens I like to talk about. So we go back, so it's at 318. Let's go back 3 months. 3 months, it was at 619, 571, 454, 442. I'm not going to do any price prediction on this. Look at this, 716. Okay, let's go back a year, 716. What was this price? Within the last year, Bitcoin Cash went to $1,400. Okay, so again, if you're around the crypto market, Bitcoin Cash being at $318, been around for years and years. I mean, with Bitcoin, I mean, that could be something that, 17% down, let me put that on my radar. And then go to this charts, look at where it was at in the last 3 months, last 6 months. Do your own calculations and stuff. And then again, there could be that project you're looking for. Litecoin, been around for over 10 years, down 19% right now. But look, if you click Litecoin, 113, I mean, just go back 3 months. 3 months ago, 113, it was at 276. It was at 248. Okay, let's go back within the last year. I mean, some of these coins that have been around for 10 years, I mean, Litecoin, 183. Right over here in the last year, 359, 294. So Litecoin has been way, way higher in the last 12 months, 116. You may not see that price again at 116. Litecoin's been around for over a decade. Okay, so it may be down 19% right this second, but what has it done in the last 12 months? Again, this is where you want to do your research. Chainlink down 30%, Near down 32%. Shiba Inu down 27%, Matic down 25%, Avalanche down 25%, Dogecoin down 21%, Polkadot down 27%, Luna down 20%. So in one aspect, everybody's sad, I understand, but there could be some projects that you haven't started, or there could be some projects that you just got started in. This could be a great discount buy. Ethereum's down 21%, and Bitcoin is at 36,000. All right, so that's a lot on that. We're going to switch over to making money on TikTok. Just a little positive, somebody that got into it and has been doing it. Right here it says this 24-year-old lost her waitressing job. Now she makes about $8,600 per month in passive income. And here's the kicker. She works about 2 hours a day. All right, so she basically lost her waitressing job and her personal training. Then she basically started to sell fitness programs for about 90 days. And she was making between $1,000 to $2,000 a month, supplementing her income. And then she also had the COVID stimulus checks coming in. So then after a while, she got out of that. So for months, she had affiliate marketing people contacting her about commissions on online retailing, web traffic, and sales on TikTok feeds. You know, she was skeptical at first. Had nothing to lose, and took an online course that convinced me that the affiliate marketing could be worthwhile business model. So what does this say? So she went all in. So in July of 2021, which is less than a year ago, she basically started promoting on TikTok and Instagram, doing affiliate marketing products. She began posting multiple times a day, giving tips on how to side hustle, earn passive income, grow your presence online, all while she was promoting a wealth building tool of the programs. By October, she amassed over 43,000 followers on TikTok. That was her largest platform. And then listen to this. Since then, I've been making an average of $8,600 per month in passive income. Commissions off of affiliate posts, including posts that are several months old, and posts that sold reoccurring subscriptions. She says, if you told me that a year ago I could be doing this, creating helpful content right from my phone and working 2 hours a day, I would have laughed. So now she's got the freedom at 24 years old and was able to move into a beautiful apartment in New York City. She travels frequently, and she no longer has to have her life revolve around work. So good for her. That's super awesome. So my whole point here is, as crypto is down, there's other ways to actually, maybe have passive income. So just wanted to throw a little positive flavor in this. Again, even though the market's down right this second, if you're looking at projects and, if you think of Solana is going to be around in 5 or 10 years from now, Litecoin's been here for 10 years. If you look at certain projects and they're going to stand the test of time, this could be a fantastic opportunity for you to kind of look at what you're looking at. So, all right. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. This was a bonus video. It's Friday. I hope you're all having a fantastic evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.